What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. If you're new here, I create content related to my locks, lifestyle, health, and fitness journey. So before we hop into this video, go ahead and give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you can join this community of like-minded women. Alright, let's hop into this video. So as you can tell by the title, this video is going to be about how to moisturize your locks. I have shared many times through my other videos and tutorials of the steps that I do to moisturize my locks, and I figured I can create an entire video to show you step by step how I keep my hair moisturized and the products that I use. So first and foremost, first of all, where all this gray hair came from, because I don't recall it being that much, okay? I need to look at the back of my head more often, because I promise you, when I was going through this footage, I was literally taken aback by how many gray strands I was seeing. But anyways, I'm just showing you all that the retwist that I recently did doesn't look like it's fresh anymore, because last week I went so hard in the gym, and yeah. Anyways, let's hop into it. So first and foremost, you want to start with water. I recommend using a spray bottle like this where the water lightly mists out. And I'm just basically spraying my scalp right now just to get the scalp ready to absorb all of the moisture from the oils that I will be applying to my hair. And as you can see, I am making sure that I spray directly onto my scalp, because I am very, very, very focused on my entire scalp being saturated with the water, because for me, that sets the foundation. Now, after spraying the water, I like to lightly massage my scalp just to prepare it for what's to come, such as the products and the layering of products that I'll be doing. Okay, so after spraying my scalp, I like to lightly mist my locks, because the video is about moisturizing your locks, right? Not your scalp. So yeah, I like to lightly I like to lightly spray my locks as well, so that they too can absorb the oils and be moisturized. So the next step is the Rose Water Hydration Mist by Loclicious. I always speak so highly of this product, but this is like a product that is water-based. So water-based products are really good for locks because they are lighter and they won't leave a residue that can build up over time. With this product, I like to do the same thing, going through spraying my scalp and also spraying my actual locks, because it's going to moisturize my hair very, very well. And you guys, this is just such a great product that I love to use by itself, and then I also like to follow up with oils as well. And now we're following the same step by massaging the product into my scalp. Alright, so I don't know if you can tell, But the massage is my favorite step, okay? If you are not incorporating a head massage in your lock routine, then honey, you are missing out. But I came across this one lock that had a very weak end, so I decided to just pull it off because why keep it on there? It doesn't belong there anymore. Moving along, so I'm doing the same thing with spraying the rose water directly onto my locks. Make sure you don't skip that step, you guys, okay? I know we focus on our scalp, but that's to help with the growth. But as far as the locks, that's what we want to stay hydrated and moisturized as well. So do not skip this step. But moving along, now we're going to apply the oils. So the natural oils that I like to use is the black castor oil and also the wild growth oil. I like to mix these two together, create my own concoction, and then put it in this kind of bottle right here and just apply it to my scalp directly. Now, imagine my hair is very, very, very hydrated, okay? So it's absorbing the oils very well. As you can see, I'm kind of going a little overboard, okay, with the oil. You don't have to do that because the black castor oil is a very thick consistency. So a little literally goes a long way. I actually forgot that this bottle has a pretty big hole at the top, so the oil comes out pretty fast. So just be mindful of how much you're actually putting on your scalp, so that you don't overdo it, kind of like I am. Also, don't forget to get the back of your hair, the nape of your hair. Just don't forget to get that as well. I like to make sure that I keep that nice and moisturized. But now moving to the front, making sure that I'm not skipping any of the parts. I don't know if you all remember, and if you've been watching my videos for some time, then you know that on the left side of my head, I've had like a little bald spot, a small one, and I like to make sure that I really be intentional with the oils that I put there because I want my hair to grow back as much as it can there. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, as you can see. Okay, also don't forget to get your edges, ladies and fellas. Don't forget to get your edges. Your edges, you know, they do experience the most tension, in my opinion. So for me, I really like to get my edges because when I do certain lock styles, I know that that I usually pull on my edges with whatever, like ponytails or whatever I'm doing. So I make sure I get my edges so they can stay nice, full, thick, and beautiful. Okay, and now I'm going in with the Locklicious Growth Oil. This oil is really, really good for hair growth. So I apply it directly to my scalp after I apply the black castor oil. Now, keep in mind, I don't do this all of the time. Sometimes I'll do one or the other oil. I don't always do both, but in this case I'm doing both because my hair and my locks was just very, very, very dry. So I wanted to make sure it was extra moisturized. That's why I layered it, but you don't have to do this. But as you can see, you guys, I'm just showing you how my locks look refreshed. They don't look too dry, they don't look too brittle, but they look really moisturized and hydrated. So yeah. Comment down below what your moisturized routine looks like for your locks and how you keep them nicely maintained. But yes, this is how my locks are looking now. Um, Very nice, like I said, very moisturized. And since I have so much oil on my hair and it's very, very hydrated, I like to just put my headscarf on after I moisturize, just to kind of help seal in the moisture as well, and so that all this grease just don't get all over the place. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I was really greasy, okay? I had edited out the part where the oil was dripping down my forehead, like your girl went overboard. But yes, you can follow this step as well. If you feel that your hair is just a little extra oily or overly moisturized, you can do that. Just protect your locks. It doesn't hurt to do that. But yes, you guys, I really hope that you all liked and enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate your support. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on all social media platforms by searching Octavia.Darling. And don't forget, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure that you're subscribing. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.